first step is to identify your router's IP address. To identify it, you'll go to the command prompt of your computer, go to the search bar, then click command prompt. In the command line, type ipconfig, then press enter. And now we can see here our router's IP address, which is the default gateway. The next step is to go to your computer's web browser, then type your router's IP address. My router's IP address is 192.168.0.1, then press enter. Usually, you need to enter your router's username and password to be directed to the web management page, but in my case, it is already directed. Then go to the option of the wireless settings. Then change the Wi-Fi name to your desired name. Same with the password. Enter your desired password. After that, you need to press OK, but in my case, I would not press the OK button because my router will go back to its factory settings. After that, go to the network and internet settings to see the changes. Then log out to the web management page, then close the browser.